Right, let's look now in this video at the part 1 topic of staying up late. And here are the questions. Do you sometimes go to bed late? What do you do when you stay up late? How do you feel when you have stayed up late the night before? Okay, let's take the first question here then. Do you sometimes go to bed late? I would like to know your answer. Go ahead. Do you sometimes go to bed late? Okay, thank you. Good. That's a good answer. Now then, here's what I might say. Do you sometimes go to bed late? Now and again, yes, but by and large, I tend to hit the sack quite early. I'm usually an early riser because I find I'm much more productive in the mornings. Okay. There's my first answer. Now here, I'm saying this is a yes, right? Do you sometimes go to bed late? Yes. Now and again just means sometimes. It's a nice expression. Now and again. Notice the and becomes an. Now and again. Now and now and again. Now and again, yes. But by and large, right? Overall or generally speaking, by and large, I tend to hit the sack quite early. Hit the sack. To hit the sack is a colloquial expression, as you can probably guess, meaning to go to bed. I go to bed early. I hit the sack early. And the nice use of tend to, right, which is kind of a habit I often do, or I usually do it. I tend to hit the sack quite early. Notice the rhythm. I tend to hit the sack quite early. Great. I'm usually an early riser, so somebody who gets up early is an early riser. And notice the use here of much, right? I'm more productive. I'm much more productive. It's a really nice emphasis on the comparison. I'm much more productive in the mornings. Great. Now, it may be that you, do you sometimes go to bed late? It may be that you often go to bed late. So here's a possible answer for the opposite situation. Do you sometimes go to bed late? Yes, actually, I tend to